Hey everybody, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute. Let's talk about our waistlines today and what they might be telling you as we get older. Again, this week I'm talking to my adults and my primetime adults and my seniors. Suppose you go for a checkup, but your doctor only has enough time to take one measurement to accurately assess your overall health. What do you think your doctor's going to do? Would she measure your waist size? Did you know that this could be your most important vital sign? Recent research shows that waist size is one of the most controllable risk factors of a heart attack. One of the quirks as we get older is that we tend to accumulate more abdominal fat around the middle. The more fat that shows around the waistline, the more likely it is that excess fat is being stored inside the abdomen. And we call this fat visceral fat or middle fat. And this is metabolically active fat that actually releases health-harming chemicals into the bloodstream that causes premature aging and increases our risk of basically all the highs. High blood pressure, high blood sugar, high cholesterol. It also increases our lows like depression, a weak heart, lower testosterone, higher estrogen. It increases our risk of cancer, all of the itises that we talk about in the Primetime Health Workshop, colitis, dermatitis, arthritis, gastritis. The good news is that while it's the easiest to put on fat around the middle by eating too much or moving too little, it's also the first to go when you follow the Dr. Sears Primetime Health Plan. So, if you want to learn more about how to properly measure your waistline, what measurements are the norm for both men and women, and some easy tools to remove waste from your waist, W-A-I-S-T, reach out to me. Let's have a conversation. I'd love to share more with you about the Primetime Health Plan, and you can also find some information about this plan on my website at friscofitcity.com. Good news is, guys, if we start moving more and eating a healthier pattern of eating, this is the first fat to go. And even just a modest amount of weight loss, we're talking about 5 to 7% of our total body weight, can help improve, has many health benefits. So we're not talking about vanity weight here. We're just talking about getting our weight down a little bit and creating a healthier pattern of eating, and you're going to see some huge benefits as we get older and start aging. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you to get up, get out, get moving each and every day. Make it a great day.